In this tutorial, I'll be explaining the first law of thermodynamics for a closed system. Now, the equation for the first law of a closed system can be written as the change in internal energy is equal to the heat minus the work. Now, Q stands for heat, the W is for work, and E is for the internal energy. Now, the internal energy is the cumulative of the potential energy, the kinetic energy, and U, though in this course, kinetic energy will always be zero and potential energy will always be zero. Therefore, the internal energy will always be equal to U. Now, Q, when looking for Q net, can be written as the input of heat minus the output, or the loss of heat. And now work is that work output minus the work input. Now, for heat going into a system is a heat addition, therefore it's positive. Now, heat being taken out of a system is negative. Whereas for work addition to a system is negative, though work outputted from the system is positive.
So internal energy equations. The small u is specific energy. That means it's kg, kilojoules, over kilograms. The equation for this is CV T2 minus T1. And the big U is just energy, so it's kilojoules. And it's M, so you could cross off the kg, CV T2 minus T1. Now, we're going to look at work equations for constant volume processes, constant pressure processes, constant temp processes, polytropic processes, and spring-loaded piston work. Isochoric, also called constant volume work process, the equation for this is 0. There's no work done. The equation for constant pressure is P integral of dV, which equals to pressure volume 2 minus volume 1. Compressive is negative work, and expansive is positive work. Isothermal is constant temp process, and it's an integral from 1 to 2, mass times gas constant times temperature over volume. Which is equal to mRST ln V2 minus ln V1. Next is a polytropic process, which is PV to the n, which is equal to PV to the n equals to constant. And finally, it's spring-loaded, which is equal to the area of a trapezoid which is equal to P1 plus P2 over 2 V2 minus V1